What if we could see exactly where water flows and where it doesn't to guide smarter irrigation planning? Let's dive into how GIS helps mapping irrigation coverage down to the district level, making water use smarter and more efficient. On story.mapog.com, simply select Create New, add your title and description, then hit Save. Using the GIS data option, you can quickly select the country, state, and district you're interested in. From there, you can search for relevant spatial layers like water sources, canals, and farmlands, and just click Add to Map. Now, let's clean up the map for easier viewing. Using the Style Editor, we can color the layers for clarity. For example, color the water sources blue, and agricultural land yellow, and irrigation canals red, so it's easy to identify what's what. Here's where the magic happens. From the process data, choose the buffer tool. By creating a buffer of about 500 meters around the water bodies and canals, we can quickly see where water coverage is dense and where gaps exist. Next, let's add points to highlight the areas with the proper irrigation systems and greatest irrigation needs. By using the Add Point feature in Add Story, we can mark these key locations, providing insights on where new irrigation projects should be focused. You can even add titles, descriptions, and images to give context to each proposed irrigation zone. And that's it. You've mapped out irrigation coverage and identified areas for future projects. If you're in agriculture, environmental management, or urban planning, Mapog is your go-to tool for making data-driven decisions that optimize water use and agricultural productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@mapog.com.